Bienvenue guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will be doing some Tuscan salmon, and I have here some salt, pepper, paprika, parsley flakes, and some all-purpose seasoning. Let's get right into the recipe. And first I'm going to mix all the seasonings together, and then we're going to start seasoning our pieces of salmon, and we're going to season the top, the sides, and the skin as well, because I did leave the skin on. And we're also going to leave just a bit over for when we're doing that sauce later on. Now we're going to start to sear our salmon, and I will be using the garlic and herb butter. You can use regular butter if you would like to. And once that butter has melted, we're going to start by going in with our pieces of salmon, and I'm doing it skin side up. After about 3 to 5 minutes, when it has gotten that beautiful sear, I am starting to turn them over. Now I am being very careful when flipping them over because fish tends to break up easily. And now after a total of about 6 to 8 minutes, I am removing them from the pan and setting them to a side whilst I work on that beautiful sauce. So I'm starting with about a teaspoon of that same garlic and herb butter. And next I am going in with my fresh seasonings of onion, garlic, green onion, parsley, bell peppers, and also seasoning peppers. And that will be followed by about 3 handfuls of fresh spinach. If you do not have fresh spinach and you have frozen, that's okay as well. And I just went in with my tomatoes as well. And next we are going in with the star of the show, the heavy whipping cream. So I'm going in with just over 2 cups of heavy cream. And just pouring it all over. And next I'm going in with that seasoning from earlier, what we did with the salmon. And I did go ahead and add a bit more paprika in there. Just gonna stir it around and get those seasonings mixed together. And then after this, we are going in with a light serving of Parmesan cheese. And once this comes to a light simmer, we are going to go back in with the pieces of salmon so that it can finish cooking throughout. My oh my guys, do you guys see how good this looks? Do you see how good this looks? Jeez. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you like my content, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and I hope to see you guys tuned into my next video. See you guys next time. Bye.